How to adjust space between bullets and text in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's go ahead and insert our bulleted list. So let's go ahead and simply type in our numbers from 1 to 9. And now that we have our bulleted list, let's say that we want to change the spacing between the bullet and the number. So what we can do is right-click anywhere within our list, and you should see this option right here to adjust the list indents. And to change the spacing between the bullet and the text, simply adjust the text indent. If you want to make it smaller, you can reduce it. And if you want to make it larger, simply add or increase this value. So let's say we want to go with a smaller space in between them. And as you can see, the space between the text and the bullet has now been decreased. And that is how you can adjust the space between the text and the bullet in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.